Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I have a mystery envelope from Foxy Fix. Ta-da! On Sunday, they had a mystery sale, along with Chic Sparrow having a sale, and Speckled Fawn's having a sale. Amy was trying to have a no-spend. Obviously, it did not happen. So, yes. Amy got something from Chic Sparrow, Amy got something from Speckled Fawn's, and from Foxy Fix. Because I'm a sucker. But, it was also too good a sale to pass up. So, we are going to see just what I got from the mystery sale. So, yes, I know. I am weak and I can't help myself. However, there's that. Trying to see if they sent me a sample, but I guess they did not. Okay, this is a number 1, which is a passport. So, if those of you who have never had a mystery sale before, you get to pick the size. That's it. So, yeah, I have absolutely no idea what it is. So here we go. Please no pink. Ah! Yay! Oh my gosh! Okay. I am so excited! Yay! Ah, okay, this is the spice latte. And this, I believe, is the sage, the spiced sage in a passport. Yay! Oh, sweet! And it looks to have, all right, well, it comes with a extra elastic, and this is, it looks like the tan elastic, or this actually might be the gold. I think this is the gold elastic, and then it's got like the cream stitching. I wish it didn't have the pen loop, but that's okay. But otherwise, I don't see any issues with it. Now, I will say that has some wear there. If you'll look at the leather, it's got some, I don't know that you can see it, but it's got like some cracking there. But that's okay. It does have blessed there, which is and a gold foiled embossed bow. Now, too bad that doesn't say blessed be. That'd be awesome. But blessed is fine. I am blessed. So, but this is gorgeous. And so I believe this is the sage. I think this is the sage. I don't have my samples here, but at least I don't think so. One moment while I look in my little pile of stuff. But it does not look like I have them here. But I'm fairly certain this is the sage. I know it's the spiced leather, and I know it's not the thyme. So I think it's the sage. So, nice. So this is the passport size. And yeah, that's definitely gold. So with this, now as you can kind of see, this kind of goes up a little bit. So right here, it's got that. But I'm almost betting it's the crackling of the leather. Like you can see it when you do that. But that may just be the way the leather works. I don't know. I only have one spice, and it was the pumpkin. But I haven't really used that a whole lot. But, you know, for I mean, you get a substantial discount. Like this, I think was $29 with shipping. And that is a huge savings. It's almost half. So I will definitely give this a try. I'm very excited to try having the smaller pocket in the back. But yeah, they say that it's either they've done something incorrectly, like they put the wrong embossing on it, or it was a duplicate and they didn't realize they made it twice, or it could be an issue with the stitching, but I don't really see much with the stitching except for right there. And you can kind of see how that goes up. Or it could also be the how the leather's doing that, but the leather is doing that all the way through. So I think that's just how the leather is, but I'm not sure. But it doesn't seem to be like, I just think that's just how the leather goes. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be giving this a try. I have I think it's passport size coming from Speckled Fawns. And no, sorry, it's a micro coming from Speckled Fawns. And then, no. Oh, goodness. I have a mystery micro coming from Speckled Fawns and a passport in the mustard Kodiak, because they were having a 25% off sale, so I did that. And then I have a pocket coming from Chic Sparrow, as well as a nano. So yeah, Amy lost her damn mind. But I couldn't help it, and the sales all came at once on the same freaking day. On top of that, Lady Falcon Travelers was having a sale on their fandom page, on their fan page, so you could get like the Time Warp, or you could get like Star Trek or any of the fandoms. I did not do that one, but that was all on Sunday. And those of you who got things from Sunday, from any of these, know how I felt, because I was like, Jiminy Christmas, it's like everybody's ganging up. Come on, spread them out. But I am very happy with this. I love it. And I am intrigued with the spice latte, I must admit. Because now it seems to be doing the same thing. So I think that's just part of how the leather reacts to this. So yeah, we'll see how this holds up. But I really enjoy it. I like it. The inscription doesn't really bother me. So I will test this out, and we'll see how it fares. Those of you who have seen my Instagram account know how my pocket, or my passport waypoint, has been faring. So yeah, I think this will definitely be a switch. So we will get this sucker set up, and I will show it to you guys when I get it set. So there you have it. My unboxing of the last mystery sale, which was on Sunday, and got here really fast. So I'm very excited for it. So there you go. Hopefully you guys got something cool. If you did get into on the mystery sale, let me know down below. And let me know what you got, because I love this one. And it wasn't pink. I was very excited. So, hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.